shot the perfect video, but the lighting ruined it? Before you think about reshooting, stop. In Filmora 15, the new AI Relight feature lets you fix lighting after you've already hit record. Today, I'll show you how to use Relight in Filmora 15 to improve lighting, soften shadows, and make your videos look more professional in just a few clicks. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version, then install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Let's see how to use Relight in Filmora 15. Step 1. Import your clip. Start by creating a new project and then importing your video to the media bin and placing it on the timeline. Normally, Relight works best on clips with people, especially vlogs, interviews, and talking head videos. But Filmora Relight work on all types of footage. Step 2. Open the AI Relight tool in Filmora 15. Select your clip, then open the Video Settings panel, scroll down. Turn on Relight, and then select the Relight presets. You can choose between Facial, Ambient, and Presets. Under Facial, you will get Atmosphere Exposure, Translucent Water Light, Morning Sunshine, and Soft Facial Light. Under Ambient, you will get different types of backlighting, and under the presets, you can create your own relights. Step 3. Using AI Relight in Filmora 15. Go to the Facial and select the preset. In Filmora, start analyzing your footage, and then add an AI Relight on your footage. You can see the light on preview screen. And now you can select the light and change the direction of the light on the preview screen. Different presets have different numbers of lights. Step 4. AI Relight Settings. Under the AI Relight, scroll down and you will get a setting panel for Relight. You can choose the light type between directional or point. Then from the object, you can select between people or background, or you can select both. If you select people and adjust the Relight, it will only work on the people in your footage. Then you can change the color of the light. You can adjust the position of Relight on the X and Y axes. You can adjust the distance of the light by adjusting the slider. And then you can adjust the light intensity, then adjust the highlight with the slider, light radius, and intensity. If you increase the intensity with people selected as object, it will highlight only the people in your footage. Then, from the top, you can select Light 1 or Light 2, before and after. Here's the comparison of before and after using AI Relight in Filmora. When to use Relight. Relight is perfect when your lighting isn't ideal. Low light, uneven shadows, or rush setups. It's not a replacement for proper lights, but it's an excellent fix when reshooting isn't an option. Advantage of AI Relight. Automatically improves videos shot under poor lighting conditions. Reduces the cost and technical barrier of manual lighting setup for users. It quickly creates a well-lit look. With Relight in Filmora 15, lighting mistakes don't stop your creativity. Fix your footage, save time, and keep creating. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.